Very good morning. I am just telling you about the surface area and volume. With the plain sheet, I will tell you. ये आप देखिए एक रेक्टेंगुलर शीट है. इस रेक्टेंगुलर शीट से हम सिलेंडर, कोन और फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन बताएंगे. ये आप देखिए. This will be called at the breadth and this will be called at the length. I am just folding it along the length side. Now, it has become the form of a cylinder. There are two circular ends, this one and this one. Circumference of the circle it will be called as 2 pi r and this will be called at the height. The curved surface area of cylinder will be 2 pi r h. Circumference or this height. Circumference multiplied by height. It will be called as the lateral surface area or curved surface area of the cylinder. I am just considering about the volume. Volume is nothing but area multiplied by height. Area is pi r square. This is the base and multiplied by height. Then volume will be pi r square h. The volume of cylinder pi r square h and curved surface area or lateral surface area is 2 pi r h. Now I am just folding it in the form of a cone. It is the cone having circular ends and you are just getting it one circle. This will be called at the base. This will be called at the slant height. ये तिरछी है देखिए आप. It will be called at the slant height. Then pi r l. This l is the slant height. Curved surface area will be pi r l. And again its volume will be the 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. The volume of cone it will be 1/3, 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. Curved surface area pi r l. Now I am just taking this cone in the form and getting it as the frustum. Frustum means frusta. Frusta is a word. To cut a parallel line. I am just cutting a parallel line here and making it in the form that will be called as the frusta. Frustum. This is in the form of the bucket and it will be called as the frustum of a cone. इस कोन से हमने बना दिया frustum. और same pattern will be followed and you will get it as the frustum of a cone. Frustum of a cone, a parallel line has been drawn to cut this cone. Volume and curved surface area formula tomorrow I will tell you. This is the concept using figures. Thanks.